All right, welcome back. So today we're going to use our beautiful DD25 2.5 ton Chinese excavator to go take out a tree. I'll show you which one. It's all the way on the other side of the property. Well, I'll show you in a second. But so we're going to first take off that 24-inch grading bucket, material bucket, and we're going to switch it out for that little ripper claw. That'll help us bust through all those roots and pull that out and push it over, and I think it'll go really well. So I'll show you a video of that, seeing how this thing does with that. But I'll show you quick how that quick hitch works. It's pretty simple. I'll set you up for that. All right, for this it's pretty simple. You just need this wrench. This is an 18 millimeter. They actually sent it with the excavator. First, I'm going to pop out this pin, loosen this. Actually, before I loosen that, I take out this retaining pin. I think I need to get some pressure off of it. Let me do that. All right, we'll get that claw out of the way. I'm going to put that out there, extend it out. Now this pin should pop right out. So it just has these quick disconnect pins. Put them there in the pile. Hopefully I don't lose them. Then you loosen this. Oh, not yet, sorry. Only did this once before. Then you take this out, put that in the pile. Now this bolt will loosen nice and easy. At least it should be. What am I doing wrong? Maybe it just got kind of caught up. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Huh. Was supposed to be a simple solution. Not working for me so well. Let me see what's going on. It was easy putting this one on. Supposed to just loosen this bolt and it pop off. But it's not bringing this in like it's supposed to. That's a little frustrating. Maybe I'm doing it the wrong way. Maybe it's supposed to tighten it. I was making it tighter. No wonder it wasn't working. All right. So I guess, yeah, you tighten it in to pull it together. That makes sense with threads. Should have thought about that. That should be enough to get it off now. Perfect. It's easy if you do it right. Now we'll put this ripper claw on. Get this off. There we go. Get it out of the way. All right. Now we'll roll into that. Nice. Nice and easy. Now I go lefty-loosey to tighten it up because we're spreading the threads on this. Let me show you what this thing looks like. So if you look right there, it's not a hydraulic one, but it looks kind of like one. It just has a little screw that pressurizes. That might be hydraulics inside there, but as I loosen this, it's extending that out, compressing onto that right there. There we go. Now we're in place. That's great. Put our pieces back on. So even with me screwing up, doing it the wrong way, you saw how long that takes. That was my first time changing one, so can't expect it to be perfect. And then it has this, just a catch to make sure that it can't loosen up and come off. Yeah, there we go. Now we're gonna drive. I'll show you where. Way over there to that tree. So we got a long ways to drive. We'll see how long that takes. So at least this one does have 2-speed. So I'll show you how fast it goes. Here we go. All right, hopping on, cranking up the engine, and here we go. Hi. This is full speed in rabbit mode. Not as quiet as it was before, but all right, so this is full speed. Not that fast. All right, so here we are down to the trees. I'm gonna pick up this brush real quick with the thumb and see if I can do that at all. Like I said, I'm not an expert operator. We're just having some fun. Okay, got that good enough. Obviously, you can just pick these up and throw them, but it's more fun with the excavator. Also, that the ripper claw isn't the greatest for picking up brush, but it's going to be awesome for these roots around this tree. This is one of those black locust trees, so it's kind of invasive, kind of a nasty tree. It has some really big thorns on it. So and it's right here at the front of the property, and so all of the wash goes down that way, and it takes all the seeds and it keeps planting those thorny trees down there. So this is gone. We're getting rid of this puppy. Plus, I'm going to dig a small pond right here. So this needs to be gone. All right, let's start doing it. I'm going to dig around in the roots here, and then I'm going to see if I can push it over. Let's try it. Feel those roots popping. Oh yeah. Come on. Come on. Ah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This ripper talon claw thing is pretty sweet. Just keep going in there. Oh yeah. Come on, give it a little more power. Ah. Come on, pop through. All right, so gonna be doing some digging here, trying to pull all this, kill out, punch out all these roots, rip them all through so I can just, I want to try to push these over. It might be a little much for this excavator to handle, but we shall see. Just dragging it through, trying to pop all the roots. You can just feel them give way as you're pulling it through. Oh yeah, popping those roots. It just feels so nice. It's pop, pop, pop. Ah, come on, get it. All right, we're gonna move positions again. All right, here we go. Okay, we're gonna move again. Just trying to go all the way around this tree. Just gonna get rid of all this stuff. All right. Drop that blade and we're gonna go to town again. Here we go. Excavators are pretty fun. I will give them that. So you just get to sit on this thing and play. Oh, it's pulling me over. Too much. Too much. Can't handle that. There we go. Yeah. All right, gonna move again. Back to kind of where we were at the beginning. Woo! It's yanking me in. Sheesh. Oh, it's pulling hard. Sheesh. Some of these roots are just ridiculous. Man, need to be heavier. Wish this thing was just a little bit heavier. That would be amazing, but it's not. It's only 2.5 tons. Well, really, it's a little over 4,000 pounds. I don't know why they advertise it as a 2.5 ton. It's really just barely over 2 tons. Oh, man, oh man. All right, we're really moving. Oh. I think we're about to the point where I've wrapped around all of it pretty good, cut all the roots. We're going to see if we can get one of these tipped over. They're kind of big trees for this little tiny excavator, so I don't have my hopes up high, but it's worth trying. Why not? Okay, so we're going to start with these little ones. I'll get those out of the way. I'm just going to try to push one over after the other. Give it some more power. It doesn't want to go backwards very well. Oh, it does it. It does it fine. All right. Start with this little guy. Go a little closer. Okay, that one's gone. That is having a hard time. I do my jump turns with that. Gee, this thing is just, yeah, I don't think this is going to work. All right, we're going to try for more of these roots, I guess. Does this hit if I go curl up? Yeah. Yeah. Gotta be careful with that. It'll whack it if you're not careful. All right. I'm going to have to admit defeat. I'm just going to chop it off and get my stump grinder, and we'll test that out today instead. If this thing was bigger, we could knock it over, but it just doesn't have what it takes. All right, so I took a chainsaw, chopped those down. Now we're going to do a little bit of a review of the stump grinder on my little Chinese mini skid. See how that does. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.